Hey guys, welcome back to Anglo Bong. I'm Anvesha and today I'm here to do a music video reaction, and the name of the song is Shararat from the movie Dhurandhar Part 1. Now, this is an old song, I know, but I like this song. My daughter likes this song, but today I don't have my daughter here right now, but I'm going to do the reaction for this song. And as we all know, the star cast of the movie is huge. It's got Ranveer Singh, Akshay Khanna, Sanjay Dutt, and the director is Aditya Dhar. This song has been composed by Shashwat Sachdev. The singers are Jasmine Sandless and Madhubanti. And the two girls featuring in this music video are Aisha Khan and Crystal D'Souza. So it has been doing the rounds. It's a very viral song. All children, all ladies, girls, they love to dance on this number now. So let's do a reaction together. And if you guys have not seen the official video, please go down and click on the link. It has been given for you in the description box. So now let's start.
तूने पर क्या बात हो गई है, ये मुलाकात वारदात हो गई, नैन मिलाए हमने एक दूजे से यूं, रात हुई फिर दिन फिर से रात हो गई. कच्ची कली साडा मासूम चेहरा, नीयत नूरानी साडा दिल है सुनहरा. कच्ची कली साडा मासूम चेहरा, नीयत नूरानी साडा दिल है सुनहरा. पर्दे दे पीछे की है किसनू पता, पर्दे दे पीछे की है किसनू पता. एक हफीमी मैं चस्का चखावां, तैनू शरारत सिखावां, जदों नैना लड़ावां. तैनू शरारत सिखावां, जदों नैना लड़ावां. नैना च मेरे एक नीला समंदर, नैना च मेरे एक नीला समंदर, समंदर में डुबकी लवावां. तैनू शरारत सिखावां, जदों नैना लड़ावां. तैनू शरारत सिखावां, जदों नैना लड़ावां.
Akshay Khanna looks damn cool.
आय हाय. तुम भी हो तन्हा और हम अकेले, जो साथ हुए लाजवाब हो गए. तुम भी हंसी और हम आशिकी है, जो रात हुई बेनकाब हो गए. मेरे लबों पे सजी सुर्खियां, मेरे लबों पे सजी सुर्खियां, गुलाबी या शरबत पिलावां. तैनू शरारत सिखावां, जदों नैना लड़ावां. तैनू शरारत सिखावां, जदों नैना लड़ावां. नैना च मेरे एक नीला समंदर, नैना च मेरे रंगीला समंदर, समंदर में डुबकी लवावां. तैनू शरारत सिखावां,
I like this dance.
तैनू शरारत सिखावां, जदों नैना लड़ावां.
Wow, what a song! And the picturization is phenomenal. The girls are looking so beautiful in this song. Their expressions, I mean, Aisha Khan's expressions are too good. Like, she is known for her expressions. Dance moves, yeah, dance everyone can do, but to dance with such graceful expressions, it's too good. I think one of the reasons why, apart from the song being this great and the singers doing a fab job, is the girls who danced and made it look so beautiful, so graceful. Like, it did not look vulgar, it did not look not you know, tasteless in any way. The girls did fabulous job. And the picturization, it's based on the wedding day of Ranveer and the girl, and how the all the guests keep coming and they keep wishing them. I like Akshay Khanna's entry. I mean, throughout this movie, I think his entry has been the talking point of the entire movie. I mean, unka entry har jagah, whether it's this song or it's Flipperacci, it's mind blowing. It's you know, it was, I think, if not the biggest reason for the movie to become such a viral thing, because I remember when Animal came out, and the role of Bobby and the scenes of Bobby playing the negative character was, you know, the USP, the selling point of the movie was the villain. I think the same happened with Dhurandhar. Kind of overshadowed Ranveer Singh's presence. Akshay Khanna, I mean, with that wig, of course we know that that was a wig he was wearing, and it was suiting him so well that he took the cake. The Flipperacci entry, I mean, that's another thing. I would love to do a reaction to Flipperacci also. If you would want us to, me and Sean, to do a reaction to that song, please let us know. And this was my take and on the song, the viral song Shararat. So if you like my reaction, please like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.